Let me ask you something. When was the last time you really took care of your skin for you? Not for likes, not for compliments, but just to feel good in your own skin. Today I'm showing you my 3-step skincare routine that's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good, building confidence, and investing in your overall well-being. I always start with a gentle cleanser. Right now I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost facial cleanser. It's fragrance free and doesn't strip my skin. Just massage it in for 60 seconds. Cleansing isn't just about washing your face, it's about washing away the stress, oil, clutter, and the daily buildup. A clean face is a clean slate. Next up, hyaluronic acid. This stuff is a hydration magnet. I apply it to slightly damp skin to lock in the moisture. Hydrated skin is happy skin, and happy skin reflects how well we treat ourselves on the inside. When I take the time to do this, I feel more in tune with myself. I feel like I actually showed up for myself. And finally, a moisturizer to seal it all in. I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. It's lightweight but still super nourishing. This last step always feels like a reward. I know I'm locking in all the benefits of everything I just did, and honestly, it's a little act of self-respect every time. This whole routine takes less than 10 minutes, but the effects last all day. Clearer skin, boosted confidence, and the feeling of knowing that I'm doing something good for myself. Taking care of your skin is more than vanity. It's a way to build discipline, boost your self-image, and it starts and ends your day with intention. So if you're just starting out, keep it simple and show up for yourself. Your future self will thank you later. Let me know your go-to products in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Got what you need, I guess, quickly. Learn yourself to me.